In this video, we are going to build a dynamic task list with Figma variables. First, let's create our tasks component. Create a circle and resize it to 24 by 24 pixel. Add a text layer for task details. Select both layer, right-click, and add Auto Layout. Select the frame and add a fill color. Select the text and add a dark fill color. Select the whole frame and add some spacing. Maybe add some roundness too. Let's rename the whole frame. Select the circle, remove the fill, and add a stroke color. Duplicate the frame. Rename the new frame. Remember, the naming is important, so don't skip it. Now, on the second frame, select the circle. Remove the stroke color and add same fill color. You can also update the text style. Select both frames and create a component set. Now, let's create our tasks list. Let's add some tasks. Select all tasks and add Auto Layout. Add some spacing and a fill color. Also rename this frame. Select the tasks list frame and open the prototype preview window by pressing Shift+Space. You see nothing is happening when you click on tasks because we need to add some magics. First, deselect everything and add a number variable. Remember, 0 should be in a separate text layer. This is important. Rename this layer to Task Count. Click on the variable icon in the text panel and select Task Count variable that we created earlier. Now, select the total layer. Click on Prototype and do exactly what I'm doing here. Now, select the Done layer. Click on Prototype and do exactly what I'm doing here. Now, when you open the prototype window and click on any task, the count will be updated. Let's add some styles to tasks. Much better now. Thanks for watching.